I never been a snake, so I ain't matching energy. Cause them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, just stay tuned with me. We never starve, I got a dub, then we got 10 apiece. Feel a fake through them handshakes, you ain't no kin to me. Call your brother behind your back, they really frenemies. Man, them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, stay tuned with me. If you my dog, then you my dog.
Okay guys, I'm LP and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, what's up? Alright, today's going to be a really simple video, a cooking video. So today's video is going to be the honey heat chicken bites fried rice. The honey heat chicken bites fried rice. So right here, you see my chicken bites. And you see my seasonings of choice. So my first seasoning is going to be soul seasoning. So I'm going to get some soul seasoning all on my chicken bites. I made my chicken bites kind of big. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper. And some Cajun. Hold on, guys.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Okay guys, the honey heat chicken bites fried rice. The honey heat chicken bites fried rice. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, y'all. And guess what? I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
No, God, please, no, no!
Another one.